If you've ever wondered how to save in Lucidspark, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how Lucidspark saves your work, how to confirm your board is being saved properly, and what you should look for so you can work with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. The first thing you need to know is that Lucidspark works a little differently from many other apps. You do not need to manually click a save button every time you make a change. In fact, Lucidspark automatically saves your work as you go. So whether you're adding sticky notes, editing text, drawing shapes, moving objects around, or building out an entire brainstorming board, your changes are being saved in the background. To get started, simply make your changes on the board. You can add new content, edit existing items, rearrange your layout, or continue building your workspace. As soon as you do that, Lucidspark begins saving automatically. This is really helpful because it means you do not have to worry about forgetting to save before closing the tab or switching tasks. Now, if you want to check whether your board has been saved, look near the top of the board, close to the title area. Lucidspark may show a status message like saving while it's updating your changes. After a moment, that message should change to all changes saved. That's your confirmation that your board is fully saved and synced. This automatic saving works for a lot of different content types inside Lucidspark. That includes sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, drawings, frames, and even the entire board itself. So no matter what you're working on, Lucidspark is continuously keeping track of your edits. One important thing to remember is that automatic saving depends on being connected to the internet. As long as you stay online, your changes should save without any extra steps. So if you ever notice that a save status is delayed, it's a good idea to check your connection first. A quick best practice is to pause for a second after making major changes and glance at the save status near the top. If you see all changes saved, you know everything is secure. If you see saving, just give it a moment to finish before you close the board or move on. So in short, saving in Lucidspark is simple. Just work normally and the platform saves automatically for you. No manual save button, no extra clicks, and no complicated process. That makes it fast, easy, and perfect for collaborative brainstorming and team planning. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.